Hi CLS friends, it has been a crazy couple weeks with the weather. We've had warm sunny days and we've had cold rainy days. There's been winds and thunder and lightning, and there's even been some snow flurries in April, which is really crazy. The snow lover in me loves the snow flurries, but it's been some really wild, wacky weather lately. So in honor of our wacky weather, I have a wacky weather story to share with you. This is called Zoomer's Summer Snowstorm. Hey Mom, yelled Zoomer, it's really, really hot outside. Can I have a snow cone? On one condition, said Mom. I know, said Zoomer, that I clean up the kitchen when I'm done. Zoomer switched on the snow cone machine and looked through the cupboards. Let's see, he thought. What flavor do I want? After making his choice, he turned around and saw his snow cone was now about 3 feet deep. Uh-oh, thought Zoomer. I'd better get a mop. But after thinking about it, Zoomer decided to put on his hat and mittens and open the kitchen window instead. As usual, the twins had something to say to their little brother. Hey, what's with the hat and mittens? Asked Cooper. Yeah, said Cooper. It's like 100 degrees out here. Not for long, replied Zoomer. The hot summer weather suddenly turned icy cold as winter came pouring into the backyard. I'm telling, said Hooper, shivering. Why, said Zoomer. I already asked Mom for permission. To turn summer into winter, Cooper said, his teeth chattering. How are we supposed to practice for our baseball game with this in the way, complained Hooper. I guess we'll just have to play around it, Cooper said with a huff. While Hooper and Cooper griped about the freezing weather, Zoomer got right to work taking advantage of the first snowstorm of the season. After Zoomer had finished his snow sculpture, he decided it needed some company. So he built his very own wildlife sanctuary filled with animals and creatures from near, far, yesterday, and beyond. That's some pretty amazing snow artwork. Later, Zoomer took a hot chocolate break in the polar empire of Zoomarctica and gave his brothers a friendly little wave. Don't look, whispered Cooper. You'll only encourage him. You have to admit, though, whispered Cooper, that is pretty cool. Toot, toot, shouted Zoomer. Hey, said Hooper, can't you see we're trying to practice here? But when Zoomer began building an amusement park, their mittens went on faster than a happy puppy's wagging tail. Oh, we've got a whole snow amusement park going on there. When Zoomer's tummy grumbled it was close to dinner time, he scampered to the kitchen and cleaned up all the snow. As Zoomer finished, Mom and Dad came in. Zoomy, said Mom, you look hungry. What would you like for dinner? Chili, yipped Zoomer. Chili, exclaimed Mom. Yeah, said Zoomer. On a really, really cold day like today, a big, hot, steaming bowl of chili would hit the spot. Dear, said Dad nervously, did Zoomer just say, on a cold day like today? Now here Mom and Dad and Zoomer are on the front porch taking a look at everything. Well, okay then, said Mom. Chili it is. And here they are, enjoying their bowls of chili on the top of one of Zoomer's big snow sculptures. I'm not sure we're going to see that kind of snow this spring and summer, but it is a fun story and a nice daydream. Until we see you again, I hope you enjoy these wacky weather days, that you're having lots of fun safe at home, and know that we miss you very much, and we're looking forward to seeing you here again soon. This cafeteria is too empty without you. Bye.